Hi guys, welcome back to Geeky Stuff. Today we have the Redmi Note 5 global version. So previously there's been the English and Chinese version. This is opened up for loads more countries. Links in the description. This is £158 at the moment. Has got a slight bit of money off. I'm interested to see how this matches up against the Mi A2, so I will be doing some comparison videos very soon. So, the Redmi Note 5 box. It has the Snapdragon 636, 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, 4000 mAh battery, 13 megapixel front-facing camera with a selfie light, and it is a 6-inch display, 18:9 aspect ratio, 2160 by 1080p. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage. Okay, put the phone there. You get a manual and a clear silicone case. You get a standard 5-volt charger, and you get a micro USB cable and a SIM tray ejector tool just there. Okay, pretty standard. It's not got USB Type-C then. The Redmi Note 5. There we go, guys. And have the blue version. Let's have a look. It's a lovely blue. Really nice blue. So the back of the Redmi Note 5 is a metal back with a plastic top and bottom for the aerials, dual rear camera. Doesn't butt out as much as the Xiaomi Mi A2, but then the phone is slightly thicker. I think it's 0.8 centimeters, 8mm. Fingerprint sensor there. The bottom, micro USB, speaker, and 3.5mm ports. That's a good plus for a lot of people. Power key, a volume rocker up and down. The top, you have the IR blasters and the microphone, and on the other side, the SIM tray. So you can have expandable storage on there and nano SIMs, dual SIM as well. It's good. So the front of the phone, front-facing camera, and then what seems to be LED notification and maybe a sensor in there of some sort. Fairly narrow bezels. I've definitely seen narrower, but feels solid. Builds quite nice. Really nice blue colour, but it hasn't blown me away as much as the Mi A2 in terms of design and feel in the hand. But it is a nice smart device. So let's turn it on. The Redmi Note 5 comes with the MIUI 9. I do prefer stock Android experience, so not a huge fan of the MIUI. MIUI 9 lightning fast. Okay, let me set this up. Okay, here we go. I really like this display. 2160 by 1080p, and viewing angles aren't too bad. You can see better in natural light than you can do here. There's a slight black border around the edge of the phone as well, you can just see there. This is the main screen. We have a few apps there. Some Microsoft apps, MIUI Forum, the remote, tools, compass, Mi Drop downloads, a few others, Google folder, all the Google apps in there obviously. So obviously not stock Android. If we have a look at the settings at About Phone, this is based on the Android 8.1, MIUI 9. So in the settings there is a full screen display setting. You have buttons, or you can just have full screen gestures. Animate the go back gesture, double check for gestures, full screen mode. So all the apps you can turn off or on for full screen mode. Swipe up. The gestures are pretty cool. I just prefer the little buttons at the bottom, to be honest. Easier. The settings are there just the same. I know a lot of people do like the gestures. Let's take a look at this screen then. Cracking little screen. And the loudspeaker sounds pretty nice as well. put some music on in a moment though to demonstrate that. Let's see what we're at here. 1080p. Cool. Yeah, it's nice, that is. Nice display. That loudspeaker is really, really good. Decent levels, it's whacked right up, that is. Nice bit of low end as well. Very, very good. Solid loudspeaker, that is. Better loudspeaker than the Mi A2. Well, the Mi A2 is not bad either though. But that is better. Okay, so let's try the camera, shall we? There is some flickering because of this artificial lighting. I'm just going to go ahead and try it with the artificial lighting on. Portrait mode. Okay. That doesn't look too bad at all. Let's go to normal photo mode. Cool. Let's switch straight to video, and I believe it has image stabilization, full HD. Let's see what we get. So the flickering is from the artificial lighting, unfortunately. I could turn it off. So look. That's better. So the Redmi Note 5 video quality, audio quality. Let me know what you guys think. Currently filming the Xiaomi Mi A2. Beautiful. Let's switch around to the front. Do a selfie video. Front facing camera on the Redmi Note 5. Doesn't look too bad at all, looks nice. Here we go. Let's try portrait mode. Front facing camera, I'm going to take the camera away. Go. Yep. Portrait mode looks very, very good. Very similar to the Xiaomi Mi A2. So that was the camera test. This is the fingerprint sensor. Very, very quick. Wow, super quick. That's very impressive, that is. Oh, I can't wait to do my comparison between the Mi A2 and this. I think this has got a faster fingerprint sensor, if I'm being honest. Because it seems quite a solid device. Camera looks good. The loudspeaker is very, very good. In fact, this loudspeaker is excellent for the price. The portrait mode looks very, very good, like the Mi A2 as well. Really like the display. Not too blown away by the design, but you can't have it all, I suppose. Battery, I'm expecting good performance. It's a 4000 mAh battery, so I'm hoping it's better than the Mi A2 I tested previously. I'm not a big fan of the MIUI either. I prefer stock Android. Let's do this quickly. The Note 5 absolutely hammers it. I don't know if it's because of the maybe animations. It's more of an animation when you unlock this than this. This sort of fades in. This doesn't. But either way, the Redmi Note 5 seems extremely fast at unlocking. Right, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Any comments, please comment below. I'll answer them as best as I can. Subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.